Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And this is going to be a little short video. As I stated in that other video, might be a better way than deleting all the lines. And if you didn't watch part 3 on how to draw this, so this is over, under, and then over, under here. But I haven't cut these lines out yet. So what I'm going to do is set my nudge factor on like 4 inches. And I'm going to smart fill that in and nudge it over, that in, nudge it over, that in, nudge it over, that in. So now I've got those parts that I've cut away, and I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to go ahead and group them together. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate them, and I'm going to rotate them 180 degrees around. And then I'm just going to take this one and just have it snap right to it and move it up. And there you have it. Now, I could have probably deleted the lines just as fast, but let's say if you had 100 contour lines instead of just these 3 to delete, if you had 100 of them or more, something of that effect, this would help you. And this is the old making it look like it's over, under. We're going to pick another color and just kind of prove the fact that this one, and then we'll do one green. So it looks like it's going over, under. Need one more color, yellow. Well, really one more color, I guess, pink. So it looks like they're all going over, under, over, under. That's what happens when you use a smart fill tool when you haven't pulled another tool up yet. So, like I said, it would be just as easy to cut those lines out, but if you had multiple lines to cut, 25 of these lines to cut, you could just cut out half of them and then rotate them like this. And this would look really cool if we bring back the outline. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.